Hi guys, this is Dhananjay here on Moksh. I'm the CEO of Moksh and we have designed some platform which does not exist globally. Okay, it's only from Moksh, a unique technology platform for all those students who are preparing USMLE Step 1 and Step 2 CK. Okay, and what's so special about it? So last video, I was talking about USMLE you can give up year for once and the score gets to locked for 6 years, and you have to for a successful residency you have to get some 240 plus and all those things. At this moment I want to ensure that anybody who comes into Moksh USMLE coaching is very clear fundamentally that we are going to make sure that you get 240 plus. Okay, now how do we make that? That was the question in my last video and I'll tell you today. So there is an artificial intelligence triggered, the technology platform that we have created, in which subject by subject the test would be taken. There is an entire test platform which you can use it for free for a trial. Okay, you can utilize it and you will realize it. The software is able to slowly and steadily, based on the machine learning, it will identify what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths, and what are your average subjects. Okay, once the system knows that, the more the test that you give, the more the system will learn about your strengths and weaknesses. And in this fashion, slowly and steadily, the score will start being predicted by the system itself. Okay, so there are questions, approximately 8,000 questions are already put on with the explanations and wrong answers, then why wrong, right, then why right, and all those things. Okay, now we are putting up videos for every answers, and that you will find it in the next 3 months. All that thing is the content resources you will find, huge number, but that's not important. It's the machine, it's the software, it's the technology which is built into it. It will identify your weaknesses and continuously put those questions back on you. For example, X student is weak in anatomy, Y student is weak on pathology. Now how can the same resource be good enough for both of them to reach 240? It's impossible. So the machine helps you. Okay, Mr. X, you are weak on anatomy, you have to spend more time. So there is a smart calendar which suggests you constantly, assigns you the questions or the videos which are based more on the anatomy, and to why his studies planner will be very different. It will be more of pathology because that's where he's going wrong on this. Slowly and steadily, individually test for every subject, and finally for the entire lot of 7 subjects for the 7 step 1 examination. We will continuously test you and reach to a conclusion whether you are good to reach to 240 or not. Absolutely, our contents will be available with you till you reach this stage. May it take 6 months, may it take 2 years, it doesn't matter to us. And guys, this is why this is globally the only and the first solution which we define as individual learning platform. Every student, based on their weaknesses and strength, learns the entire curriculum in a different way. They attend different lectures, different assignments, strengthen different subjects at the same time. This is something which you will have to experience to believe it. Okay, guys, subscribe to this channel. It's going to help you out a lot. Okay, thank you.